Hello, fellow travelers, and welcome back to DSV Travel Trip. Today, we embark on an enchanting journey to the breathtaking island of Madeira, a hidden gem often referred to as the Pearl of the Atlantic. Situated approximately 500 kilometers off the northwest coast of Africa and 850 kilometers southwest of mainland Portugal, Madeira is an autonomous region that boasts extraordinary beauty, rich culture, and unparalleled adventure opportunities. Madeira's strategic location in the heart of the Atlantic Ocean makes it a prime destination for travelers seeking serenity, adventure, and natural beauty. With its main islands of Madeira and Porto Santo, the archipelago attracts over 2 million visitors annually. The unique blend of lush landscapes, volcanic origins, and vibrant culture ensures that Madeira remains unforgettable for all who visit. Madeira's dramatic landscapes are the result of ancient volcanic activity. Towering peaks such as Pico Revo, the island's highest point at 1,862 meters above sea level, showcase the rugged terrain and provide panoramic views that captivate hikers and nature lovers. Reaching Madeira is straightforward, with Funchal's Cristiano Ronaldo International Airport serving as the main gateway. Additionally, ferries from mainland Portugal and nearby islands offer a more leisurely travel experience. Funchal, Madeira's capital and largest city, is home to approximately 110,000 residents and ranks as Portugal's sixth largest city. Known for its historical significance and cultural charm, Funchal is a hub of activity and the top Portuguese port for cruise ships. The city derives its name from the wild fennel, funcho, that grew abundantly in the area when it was founded in 1421 by Portuguese navigator João Gonçalves Zarco. Over the centuries, Funchal has been influenced by Spanish and British cultures, adding layers of diversity to its heritage. The old town of Funchal is a delightful blend of history and charm. Stroll along Rua de Santa Maria, a pedestrian-friendly street renowned for its vibrantly painted doors. Each door tells a unique story, transforming the street into a living art gallery. Iconic landmarks such as the Cathedral of Funchal and the Church of St. Peter highlight the city's colonial architecture. History enthusiasts will appreciate the depth of cultural significance embedded in every corner of the old town. Funchal is also the birthplace of one of the world's greatest athletes, Cristiano Ronaldo. The city's airport proudly bears his name, and the CR7 Museum offers fans a glimpse into his extraordinary career. With interactive exhibits, multimedia presentations, and a collection of more than 100 awards, the museum provides an inspiring journey through Ronaldo's life and achievements. The Funchal Teleférico cable car is a must-try experience for visitors. This 15-minute ride takes you from the lower station near Funchal's Old Town to Monte, an elevated suburb perched 560 meters above sea level. The journey offers 360 degrees views of Funchal, the surrounding mountains, and the sparkling Atlantic Ocean. At the top, Monte's serene gardens and traditional wicker toboggan rides await, adding to the area's allure. A short distance from Funchal lies the stunning Botanical Garden of Madeira. Spread across the Quinta de Bom Sucesso Estates hills, the garden showcases an impressive collection of subtropical vegetation. Native plants, exotic species from around the globe, and meticulously arranged displays make this garden a feast for the senses. Easily accessible by car or cable car, it's a tranquil escape for nature enthusiasts. Standing at a staggering height of 580 meters, Cabo Girão is Europe's highest cliff and one of Madeira's most iconic attractions. Formed from ancient lava flows, this geological wonder offers unparalleled views of the Atlantic Ocean, Camara de Lobos, and Funchal. For thrill seekers, the Cabo Girão Skywalk, a glass-floored viewing platform, provides a heart-pounding experience. Visitors can step onto the transparent platform and marvel at the dizzying drop beneath their feet. For outdoor enthusiasts, Pico Revo is a bucket list destination. As Madeira's tallest peak, it offers hiking trails that rank among the best in Europe. The Pico Revo Trail, though challenging, rewards trekkers with breathtaking views of lush valleys and rugged peaks. At the summit, a 360 degrees viewpoint reveals the island's awe-inspiring beauty, making every step worthwhile. Madeira's unique irrigation system, the Levadas, offers another way to explore the island's natural wonders. These open canals, some dating back to the 15th century, were built to supply water to agricultural areas. Today, they serve as scenic walking paths that wind through forests, mountains, and valleys. The Levada das 25 Fontes in Rabacal is particularly famous, leading hikers past waterfalls and verdant landscapes. Machico, Madeira's second-largest town, is steeped in history and charm. As the first landing point of Portuguese explorers in the 15th century, Machico played a pivotal role in Madeira's colonization. The town's picturesque square, home to the Capela dos Milagres, offers a glimpse into its storied past. Along the bustling promenade, visitors can savor local delicacies at cafes and restaurants while enjoying views of the Atlantic. Whale and dolphin watching tours departing from Machico provide unforgettable encounters with marine life. Porto Muniz, a quaint village on Madeira's northwest coast, is famous for its natural lava pools. These pools, formed by volcanic rock formations, are filled with crystal-clear seawater, offering a safe and refreshing swimming experience. Enhanced with modern amenities for safety and accessibility, the pools harmonize with their natural surroundings. Visitors can relax in the warm waters while admiring the dramatic interplay of waves and rock. At the easternmost tip of Madeira lies Ponta de São Lourenço, a protected natural reserve with a starkly different landscape from the rest of the island. The arid, windswept peninsula features striking volcanic rock formations and low vegetation. Hiking is the best way to explore this rugged terrain, with trails leading to breathtaking viewpoints and the secluded Praia Black Sand Beach. This area's raw beauty makes it a must-visit for adventurers. Located 40 kilometers northeast of Madeira, Porto Santo is a small yet enchanting island known for its pristine beaches. The 9-kilometer-long Praia de Porto Santo is celebrated for its golden sands, reputed to have therapeutic properties due to their high mineral content. Beyond the beach, visitors can explore Vila Baleira, the island's charming capital, which features traditional Portuguese architecture. Golf enthusiasts will appreciate the Porto Santo Golf Course, offering spectacular views of the coastline. No visit to Madeira is complete without exploring Santana, a charming village known for its unique triangular-shaped houses. These traditional thatched roof homes, called Casas Típicas de Santana, are brightly painted in white, blue, and red, making them one of the most photographed sites on the island. Originally used by farmers, these houses now stand as a cultural symbol of Madeira. Visitors can enter some of the houses to experience exhibits showcasing traditional crafts, local cuisine, and the rural lifestyle of Madeira's past. Seychelles, located on Madeira's northern coast, offers a completely different beach experience. Unlike the golden sands of Porto Santo, Seychelles is known for its striking black sand beach, framed by dramatic cliffs and lush vegetation. This hidden gem is perfect for those looking to escape the crowds and enjoy a serene setting. The beach's volcanic sand and clear waters make it ideal for swimming, snorkeling, or simply relaxing. Nearby, you'll also find natural swimming pools and the Veio da Noiva waterfall, which cascades into the Atlantic Ocean. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Loura Silva Forest of Madeira, is a must-visit for nature enthusiasts. This ancient laurel forest, which once covered much of southern Europe, is one of the few remaining examples of its kind. Stretching across the island's interior, the forest is home to a diverse array of endemic plant and animal species. Hikers can explore trails like Vereda dos Balcões or Levada do Caldeirão Verde to immerse themselves in this lush, green paradise. The misty atmosphere and the sound of flowing water create a magical experience for visitors. Madeira's history wouldn't be complete without mentioning its world-famous wine. The island is renowned for its fortified wine, which has been produced here since the 15th century. You can visit wine cellars like Blandy's Wine Lodge in Funchal to learn about the intricate production process and sample various styles, including Cerchel, Verdelho, Boal, and Momsi. Madeira wine pairs wonderfully with local dishes, and its unique aging process, often in warm conditions, gives it a distinct flavor profile unlike any other wine in the world. Madeira's position in the Atlantic makes it a prime location for observing marine life. Whale and dolphin watching tours operate year-round from Funchal and other coastal towns. Visitors can see a variety of species, including sperm whales, bottlenose dolphins, and even the occasional orca. Many tours offer expert guides who provide fascinating insights into the behavior and habitats of these majestic creatures. The calm, clear waters around Madeira enhance the likelihood of spotting wildlife, making it an unforgettable experience. Câmara de Lobos, a picturesque fishing village located just west of Funchal, is a favorite among visitors. This charming town is known for its colorful boats, cobbled streets, and friendly locals. It was famously painted by Winston Churchill, who visited Madeira in the 1950s. The town's iconic scenery has remained largely unchanged, making it a perfect spot for a leisurely stroll or a seafood meal at a waterfront restaurant. Don't forget to try pancha, a traditional Madeira cocktail made with rum, honey, sugar, and citrus juice. For a deeper dive into Madeira's cultural history, visit Quinta das Cruzes in Funchal. This historic estate once belonged to João Gonçalves Zarco, the island's discoverer. Today, it houses a museum filled with antiques, decorative arts, and artifacts that tell the story of Madeira's colonial past. The estate's beautiful gardens, complete with centuries-old trees and fountains, provide a tranquil escape in the heart of the city. If you're looking for a more traditional beach experience, Calheta Beach is one of the few sandy beaches on Madeira. Located on the island's southwest coast, this man-made beach features golden sand imported from Morocco. Its calm waters, protected by seawalls, make it an ideal spot for families and casual swimmers. Nearby, you'll find the Calheta Marina, which offers activities like kayaking, paddleboarding, and fishing. Art and history lovers should not miss the Sacred Art Museum in Funchal. Housed in a former bishop's palace, this museum boasts an impressive collection of religious artifacts, including gold and silver treasures, paintings, and sculptures from the 15th to the 18th centuries. The museum's Gothic and Manueline art pieces offer a glimpse into Madeira's rich cultural heritage. Beyond the Botanical Garden, Madeira also boasts the Jardim Tropical Monte Palace. This exotic garden, located in the Monte region, is a sanctuary of tranquility and beauty. It features a blend of European, African, and Asian influences, with koi ponds, pagodas, and intricate tile panels. The garden is also home to a museum showcasing minerals from around the world. Visitors can take the cable car to reach this magical destination and enjoy stunning views of Funchal along the way. For a family-friendly activity, the Porta Moniz Aquarium is a great option. Situated near the natural pools, the aquarium houses a variety of marine species native to the Atlantic waters surrounding Madeira. Designed to resemble an old fort, the aquarium offers educational exhibits and interactive experiences, making it a hit with both kids and adults. The São Vicente Caves offer a fascinating look at Madeira's volcanic origins. These lava tubes, formed over 890,000 years ago, provide visitors with an opportunity to walk through underground tunnels and learn about volcanic activity. The adjoining Volcanism Center features interactive displays and a 3D film that explains the island's geological history. For an off-the-beaten-path adventure, visit Achadas de Cruz on Madeira's northwest coast. The cable car ride here takes you down steep cliffs to the Faja de Quebrada Nova, a remote and peaceful area with traditional farming terraces. The dramatic descent offers stunning views of the rugged coastline and the Atlantic Ocean, making it a must-visit for thrill-seekers and nature lovers alike. For adrenaline junkies, Madeira offers a range of adventure activities. Paragliding over the island's dramatic landscapes provides a bird's-eye view of its natural beauty. Scuba diving enthusiasts can explore underwater caves, shipwrecks, and vibrant coral reefs. The island also offers canyoning, allowing you to navigate waterfalls, natural slides, and rock pools in Madeira's rugged terrain. No trip to Madeira would be complete without sampling its delicious cuisine. Some must-try dishes include espada com banana, black scabbard fish with banana, bolo de caco, a traditional flatbread served with garlic butter, and espetada, marinated beef skewers cooked over an open flame. Pair your meal with a glass of Madeira wine or pancha for an authentic culinary experience. Madeira's vibrant cultural calendar includes events such as the Carnival, Flower Festival, and Madeira Wine Festival. These celebrations feature colorful parades, live music, and traditional dances, offering visitors an immersive cultural experience. Whether you're hiking to panoramic viewpoints diving into crystal clear waters, or soaring above the island in a cable car, Madeira offers endless opportunities for adventure. Its unique combination of natural beauty, cultural richness, and welcoming spirit ensures that every traveler leaves with unforgettable memories. Plan your Madeira adventure. Have you ever been to Madeira? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you love this video, hit the like button and subscribe to DSV Travel Trip for more inspiring travel content. Let's explore the world, one destination at a time.